what the advantages are higher rates than
Is it a little bit like the typical big bang?
and more valve control and less valve turn.
Now, Nicky Hayden has been, is it fair to say, playing second fiddle in that team for a little while behind Danny Pedrosa, because Danny has seemed to get all his development parts before Nicky. We know for a fact that there's no love lost between the two, to be perfectly honest, and I think that at one point in time, got to the point that I think he was a little bit uncomplimentary about Nicky Hayden was Danny Pedrosa at one point in time. But it would appear now that Nicky has got the more up-to-date part, that he's not because at the end of the day as well, surely his tenure in that team is under threat because
Of course, he won the World Cup.